starting our Sun Salutation practice, bring the hands together at the front of the heart center, Anjali Mudra. Come into Tadasana, feet together, and really ground. Take 3 more breaths here, really feeling the whole body grounded. And then inhale, bringing your head down with exhale. Inhale, lift your arms up, stretch up, back bend. Slowly exhale, forward folds, down with your head, hands. Try to keep your legs straight. Bend your knees, right leg goes back all the way, right knee down. Look forward, come onto your fingertips. Right leg is all the way back as far as you can. Bring your left leg into your plank and hold your plank. You can always drop your knees because you're gonna be here for a while. So whenever you feel this is too much, then drop your knees, but otherwise be very active with your hands, arms, and navel is pulled up, looking forward, active. One more deep breath. Dropping your knees, chest and chin. Forward pushing with the navel down, small cobra, feet together. From here, we're gonna pull up and into child's pose. For now, a little bit relaxing here. Great. From here, we're gonna push up into down dog. So come up a little bit, all fours. Tuck your toes. And slowly start pushing up into downward facing dog. Paddling your feet up and down. And then holding your nice downward facing dog. Making sure the middle fingers point straight so your wrists are straight and aligned with your shoulders. Your head is hanging, looking towards the space between your feet. Arms are very active. Take your right leg up to stretch up as far as you can, as high as you can. You are on one foot at the back. And then take this leg to the front. Between your hands, you can drop your left knee to bring this foot forward. Look forward again. That's it. Right leg forward. Taking your left leg forward again, forward folds. Head down. Bring your arms up again, lift, back bend. Hands to heart, exhale. That was half round because we're gonna do it on the other side. Inhale, bow your head, exhale. Inhale, lift and back bend. Exhale, forward down. Stay here, just a little stretch of the back and the hamstrings. Taking your left leg back this time. Left knee down, come up onto your fingertips. Try to open the chest. Take your right leg back into your plank. Now again, hold with determination that you're gonna hold it, but you can always drop your knees. Press into your hands. And then drop your knees, chest and chin down. Forward pushing into your cobra. Breathe. Elbows tucked in. Shoulders away from your ears. And from here, straight into down dog. Pull up and push back. Try to make it long, so pushing your heels back, feet back, and the hips up. That is very nice. Very good. Yes. Active arms. Try to keep your arms very active. Great. Lifting up your left leg this time. Nice and high. Take this left leg to front. Right knee down. Into your runner's lunge. Breathe. Take your right leg forward. Forward folds, down. Slowly push into your feet. Inhale. Stretch and back bend. Exhale. Come into your Tadasana. Back to the start. Hands to the heart center. Feet together. Ground. And then bring your arms back down. Palms facing forward. Tadasana. Mountain pose. So now, next we're going to do all these poses quicker. Okay. So come back to the top of your mat. Hands together, palms together. Feet together. Inhale, bow your head, exhale. Inhale, lift up, back bend. Exhale, forward folds. Inhale, take your right leg back, knee down. Take your left back into your plank. And with exhalation, knees, chest, and chin down. Forward fold, forward pushing, inhale, cobra. Exhale, down dog. Little rest here. So you have a little healing breath, balancing breath, feeling that you are okay. Then take your right leg forward, left knee down. Take your left leg forward, forward folds. Up, inhale, back bend. Exhale, hands to heart. Tadasana. Inhale, exhale, bow your head. Inhale, lift up, back bend. Forward folds, exhale. Take your left leg back, knee down, forward looking. Take your right back into your plank. Knees, chest, and chin. Pushing forward, cobra, inhale. Exhale, down dog. Little rest here, 2 more breaths. Take your left forward, right knee down, right forward, forward folds. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, hands to heart. And back into your Tadasana, mountain pose. Little rest and grounding here. Breathe. Try to just slow your breathing down.